there you go. So there we go. Upper view of the King's Sleepy Hollow as we got another apple. So just open a game. Okay, now we're gonna get a slapper here. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna playing the game as an owl gear and a sleeping elephant. And basically, just an owl. And it's an elephant, so there was a squeak owl. That's what you get for the owl. Like an elephant. So I ended up set up play simple game without a trouble with bigger. We're not pick heroes. I can see our skater was gonna roll the stick with the animals in the game. So just see we're here. Good jump. As they can dust their color as we go. And I know what you're gonna say, poor game. So anyways, we're gonna count his rolls. We can start her. Heroes still watching falling didn't help. So we're just playing the game. Here we go. Morning. Here we go. Okay, then they're gonna line it or we're dressing. And then into the play the game. To know what we see ice. So the penguins are rolled. I don't want the score stop at this game, right? It just we go. See the into the world complex. Off we go, turn on animals to the game. And I was running around. Son of which you could have a world. Son of which you could have in a Sleepy Hollow. I don't want to rush on it as in a bird.